Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Rashi. So today we're making a lactose-free coffee because guess what, your girl be lactose intolerant and we don't want to be having diarrhea. So we're starting off with our coconut milk, or coffee, and our sugar. Okay, so first thing you want to do is get you a nice coffee mug. Okay, and then you add 2 teaspoons of coconut milk. Okay, coconut milk is life for somebody who is lactose intolerant. Okay, what you're going to do next is you're going to add 2 teaspoons of coffee. Okay, because I need this energy for the whole day. Okay, all right, then what you're going to do is you're going to add 1 teaspoon of sugar. You can skip the sugar. Sometimes I do skip the sugar, but this morning I just feel for a little bit of sweetness. Okay, then you add you some water. At this point you can use hot water, boiled water, but I prefer using just like room temperature water. And then give it a little mix. Look at that. Oh, look at it. Oh, look at it. Look at it. Hey, look at it. Oh, look at it. Oh. Then you're gonna pop the lid on it. Okay, then you're gonna put it in the microwave because I prefer it this way. And you just set your timer for 1 minute. My microwave is automatically set to 1 minute. Okay, because I don't want my coffee to be too hot. Okay. Look at it. Oh my god, look at that beauty go. Wow. I'm so proud of myself, guys. This is so delicious. Like the coconut milk taste in it plus the coffee. Oh, look at it. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.